Welcome back, guys. It's Big Ben Crypto here, and yes, as you could tell by the title, we are back with another video. Now, before I jump into this video, two things. Number one, we know there's the giveaway happening. I'm giving away 5 nodes, 5 Wind Turbo nodes. You could go and check out the project. The project is Wind Finance. I will leave the description for the video up here, and the giveaway is currently happening on my Twitter, so you can go and follow my Twitter at Big Ben's Crypto. And secondly, yes, there's a couple rebranding happening with the channel right now, so that's why things are a little sporadic, but bear with me. We will get off to a good start extremely soon, or a good continuation. But yeah, today's project or today's Dapps is called Fantom Fomo. Now, let me just say, I am not a financial advisor. Please do not take my humble information as financial advice, because you might end up losing all your money, or you might not, but I don't think you want to take that choice. But now, the projects that I review on here are extremely risky, but it's an extremely high reward as well. So, you know, even if you do decide to partake in any of these activities, please be sure not to invest your life savings. Please don't go and sell your car. You could probably sell 1 or 2 cows if you have them, but yeah, as I said before, today's project is called Fantom Fomo. It's basically a smart contract that provides the opportunity to investors to invest any, well, not really any amount, but the minimum amount is 5 Fantom, which should be around 5 to 6 US or 7 US. I'm not too sure at this given point in time. But yeah, it says that you can get up to 112 to 292% return on your investment in either 14 to 28 days. Now we see how this resembles back to Matic Staker and AVAX Staker. Now the key to these projects, well, this is my theory. The key to these projects is that you have to get in early. I find that the people that get in early to these high risky projects are the people that get out. So this project was launched I believe today, so I would say that we are extremely early. As you can see, there are only 2,062 total users so far, and it's just around 2.2 million Fantom stake. So I would say we are quite early. Yeah, as I said, the minimum deposit is 5 Fantom. So important notes are the basic interest rate. This is only for new deposits, which earns a 0.5% for every 24 hours. So you need to keep that in mind. And remember, that is only for new deposits. If you don't make a withdrawal every day, you will get extra bonus, which is called the hold bonus. The hold bonus is an increase of 0.1% daily, and the maximum is 1.5%. And this is only for the unlocked plans. And then there's a referral. So as you can see, same layout, well, not really the same layout, but the same concept of Matic Staker and AVAX Staker, where these 3 plans here are the plans where you can withdraw at any time, where the other 3 are the plans that you can only withdraw at the end of the given time, which is either 14, 21 or 28 days. So if you guys plan that y'all want to play cheap, let's say you put in 5 here, within the next 14 days you'll be able to withdraw 5.6 Fantom, which is not really any returns, but it is somewhat a return. 21 days you receive 6.93, and for the 28 days you receive 7.14 Fantom. Now for the lock plans, as I said, this is for the minimum. For the minimum of the lock plan for the 14 days, you receive 9.88 Fantom if you invest 5 Fantom. For the 21 days, you will receive 14.14 Fantom, and the 28 days, you will receive a whopping 15.13 Fantom. Now, as I said, of course, I chose the cheap option, but nevertheless, as I said, these are extremely high risky Dapps. We already know what can happen to these, so please proceed with caution. Now you can check out the Telegram group chat here, I guess, for any information or any issues that y'all have. You can check with the audit. I'm pretty sure it was audited by his crypto, I believe. Yeah, right, so it was audited by his crypto, and you can check out the contract here as well. So yeah, guys, as I said, early bird catches the worm. So if you all guys do plan to invest, it would be wise to invest early. Yeah, Big Bang Crypto here.